lights tilt awake, polite and old. Hard dust blooms, then nose to go. Stitch seams run under every shoe, like the town repaired the road for you.
I bring my quiet folded tight, like a letter I won't send. But here even silence has a place to sit down and be a friend.
No one asks you to sparkle, no one asks you to win. They hand you something ordinary and teach it how to mean. Tie the orange thread, hold on. Tie the orange thread, move on. If love won't sing, let it hum. If love feels cold, let it come. Love is not loud, love is held. Tie the orange thread and exhale.
At the craft table, hands pass time around. Keys, buttons, dried rose heads, warm and brown. A man ties one knot, careful, small. It glows 1 second, then turns dull.
He smiles like that's the secret of staying kind when days are rough. He says we don't fix hearts by force, and we fix hearts by showing up.